Take time, do what you're gonna do and just smile. You're gonna see it through. Your wings are gonna sprout and lift you off the ground. Oh no, take time, do what you're gonna do. Just smile, you're gonna see it through. Your wings are gonna sprout and you will learn to fly.
You're watching a KittiesMama family vlog. KittiesMama. Now we're gonna go to Disney. Today is the Disney day. Disney! We're gonna go to Epcot. I love Disney. And you know what that means? We can go to the one Japanese store. What that means? So we're going to Epcot now because you know Disney and Epcot is our favorite. Yes! That was the excitement of a small child.
I am very excited. I am excited.
So excited. Oopa! Oopa! My chalupa. So beautiful. Anyway, we're going to Epcot now. Yeah. Epcot. Disney Springs. You totally saw it. Totally there.
Oh my gosh, I'm going crazy. I'm gonna
World Center Drive.
poop myself.
Expensive air. You have to pay for the air. You have to pay to breathe, everyone. Breathe the breathe for you. That's excitement. Alright, so we have made it to Epcot with Paige, and we're gonna go get Adriana and her parents. And look, it's the giant Epcot ball. And I'm wearing a skirt and it's windy, help me. But there we go. Look, it's Paige, vlogging. She's got her Taijo glasses on, which are really cool. And I've got my heart glasses. I bought new glasses specifically for this outfit, but I lost them already. Like I lose literally everything. Like, I don't know. But yeah, we have made it to Epcot, so let's go. We're gonna ride Spaceship Earth first. We're on the Spaceship Earth ride.
I don't think you're supposed to be filming here. Well, too bad.
Well, too bad I am. The bacon ride, as you called it that one time, a long time ago. Bye, I'm being illegal. Him and Adriana are up there. And thank you for putting in our location for where we live. We're going on Soarin', and it's Emma's first time on Soarin'.
Yeah,
She's all scared. They changed. Sorry.
They changed the way, so it probably won't make me sick. It probably will, because I get sick on it.
And also, soaring, flying. So now we're going on Nemo. At Nemo, because Nemo.
Way more up.
Yep, but it's fun, kind of.
Not really.
A little bit.
Oh, wait,
It's fun because we have memories of it. If any of you don't know, the first place we met was here in Disney World. We're at Nemo, and I did the same thing that I did last time, where I thought this was real sand. Yes. We're here at Nemo, like I just said before, but we're walking through. We're at Test Track now. We're making our cars. Paige, how do you want our car? This car.
This one, tiny.
That. Wait, we gotta shape it. How are you gonna shape it? We gotta make the back. Oh wait, sorry, I don't know how to live. Wow, we gotta optimize. Ooh, it's an ogre. Ooh.
You know what's going through my mind?
What?
Just look at it.
Here's our car. It's so small. And it was an Adriana, this is just a monster truck. Let's go! Oh, let's go! Okay. It's on your band, Paige.
We're gonna win! Jonah, put it away.
For your
Hold on a
safety,
second.
remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle at all times. And please supervise children.
Yeah, what a good time. Who won?
Displaying power test results. Sim-track performance testing complete.
We got third. That's pretty good. Thank you. Paula. But anyway, we got off at the test track, and now they're getting ears. They can all match. The ground is over there, but they're all gonna match.
Do your pose. So we are going on the like Mexican boat ride thing, and we've made it. We're on it.
Filming. Really? I know, it's crazy.
Here we have Mommy in a tiara that she just bought. I was gonna get one, but it didn't feel like it. So
One of the princesses of Arendelle. We're gonna share it.
But I've still got my matching ones on this page. It's very, very blue. We're gonna have to change the white balance.
My, it is super blue.
But Mommy's got a tiara now, and we're gonna go eat.
And we're sharing it. Emma, I was gonna get Emma one, but
Yeah.
she just wanted to share one.
Yeah, I didn't really want one. See, I'm not totally a spoiled brat.
Look at how pretty that is. Oh my gosh, there's glass etching over there. Oh my gosh, look at you.
Yes, you're going all over the place.
It's gonna be a big one of those.
Oh my gosh! Yeah. I think the fire's supposed to happen, right? I don't know.
I don't know.
Okay, so the fireworks are happening right now. I don't know where my people are. As in page number, them, whatever one, family. Anyway, he's everyone else, I don't know where they are. But here are the fireworks.
Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Look at that.
Leg footage.
Yeah, I'll be going. I heard somebody scream, well, that was something.
Reflections of Earth.
Neato! We're on our way out of Disney. My camera's gonna die, but we're on our way out of Disney. Day 1. We have one more day in Disney. Oh my gosh, yeah. These. They're gone. But we're leaving Disney. Won't be here tomorrow, and then we leave on Sunday. But that's that. Alright, so we have left Disney. We're in the car. We're gonna leave. So, but my camera's gonna die again. So I have to do. We're watching Wizards of Waverly Place because we found it on the TV. But we're back at the hotel. My camera died a few times. I tried to film an outro, but I have to turn it down just a bit more. But thank you for watching. Wait, comment down below if you've ever been to Disney. What's your favorite ride at Disney? Doesn't have to be Disney World. Doesn't have to be Disneyland. Doesn't have to be any Disney.
And if you haven't been, then what's your favorite Disney character?
Yep. All right. So thank you for watching. Wait, we need to answer it.
My name's mine Test Track and Eeyore.
Jones?
Test Track and Oswald is pretty cool.
Test Track and Bambi. Bambi's pretty cute. I love
I always
Bambi.
thought Bambi was a girl.
Me too.
Okay, me too.
Bambi's adorable. That's the only reason why I
wanted
like
to
him.
think that Bambi was a girl.
And whenever he had his friend, I was like, oh, this one's got blue eyes. And that's how I remembered it was a guy, and I don't know how I thought that. But thank you for watching. Comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up. Fluster and bye, Chewy.
Peace out, YouTube. Okay, thanks, bye.